Welcome to our first lesson in surface area. So we will just see some of the basic formulas. In this chapter will deal with surface area of cylinder and cone chiefly. So what is the curved surface area of a cylinder? So you just see the diagram. We have drawn a cylinder of height h. It is just like a pipe, cylindrical pipe, you can imagine. So the bottom and top area is circle. The entire shape in the form of circle. So if the suppose this surface area only you want, you can see you can think like this. Surface bottom area is like this. What is circumference is 2 pi r. Circumference. So this is height of the circle. So we can imagine this into height. That gives the curved surface area, the curved area it gives. So you remember curved surface area as 2 pi r multiplied by its height. So what is the area of this? In this you can see the top and bottom area that is not included. So area of here bottom here one circle is there, here circle is there. These two areas also. Suppose if a tin covered tin is to be painted, or you can imagine a big drum covered with lead. So you got on bottom area, this portion, and also here on top, here one area is that. These two are also put covered or painted. So when it's a covered, when they say it is a total surface area of a cylinder, you have to include these two portions too. The area of this one is area is equal to pi r square here bottom and pi r square on the top. Suppose there's a pipe or there's a drum without lid, it is not covered means 1 pi r square is not there. That you can remember. So total surface area when they say it's a cylinder 2 pi r into r plus h. Or you can also expand it and write it as 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. You can remember this way also. So what is the volume of a cylinder? The cylinder, when what is the area of this circle is pi r square multiplied by its height is its volume. So pi r square is the area multiplied by its height. Area by height. Or it can be written as B into H, where B is the base area. You can remember this base area multiplied by its height. So in the case of cone, what is the difference? Cone is at the bottom, the radius is r. The slanting height is L. At the vertex, the radius is 0. As it goes down, the radius increases. The radius increases as it goes down. What is the height refer here? From distance from vertex to the center of the circle at the bottom. That is the height. So you can see this is something like a right angle triangle. What is the relationship between these? This R, H and L. L is equal to root of H square plus R square. Or L square is equal to H square plus R square. It's a right angle triangle. Right angle at here. So volume of a cone in this case is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So in the case of cone, when this is total area, you will add on the area of the bottom pi r square. What is the expand? You will write this as We can also write this as pi r L plus pi r square. Next, we will give the basic idea about the frustum. What is this frustum? Suppose this cone you are cutting in somewhere middle like this, then how it looks like. So in the bottom also, no? Bottom it's a curved area, it's a circle. The top, the circle is a little smaller. So the radius at the bottom, there's radius at the top. Here we'll name it as R1, radius at the top as R2. Then slanting it as L, we'll change the color. What is the height from the center, the vertex to the center bottom? This is H. So what is the curved surface area of a frustum? Is pi into radius at the bottom plus radius at the top multiplied by slanting height. So volume of a frustum is equal to 1/3 of pi multiplied by height, and the whole thing multiplied by R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 multiplied by R2. So what is the surface area of a sphere? What is a sphere? It's a three-dimensional circle or a ball. You can ball, it is three-dimensional. So surface area of a sphere is 4 by 3 r square. It is cubic. So for all the above cases, area is, it is square. Square units. Now wherever, oh sorry, it is surface area, it is also a square. Square units. Wherever it is volume of a cone, volume is cubic. So here you see r square and h, three factors are there. Other remaining are constants. So surface area of a sphere is also square only. Surface area of a solid hemisphere is just half of the sphere. Hemisphere is just half of the sphere. What about TSA? Total surface area, the short form we are using, of a solid hemisphere. So when you say solid hemisphere, it is half, and there is a bottom. The bottom here, area of the at the bottom also is like this. So it's pi r square. So CSA is 2 pi r square plus bottom is pi r square, then it becomes 3 pi r square. TSA for solid hemisphere. So next, volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here it is cubic units. We are talking about volume. So we will first do some problems in this cylinder and cone, and then we'll come back to the theory again. First, from the height of a right circular cylinder is 7 centimeters and radius of its base is 4 centimeters. Find its curved surface area. So curved surface area of the CAC of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r multiplied by h. So pi, value of pi, we will take it as 22 by 7. 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by radius is 4. Height is 7. So the 7 will cancel. 222. So 44 into 4 is equal to 44 multiplied by 4 is equal to multiplied by, so 4 4s are 16, 1 4 4 for 16 plus 1 17 square centimeters. So students can try with calculators for checking purposes, but initially we will have to work it out manually. Then they will use to it. Now total surface area is equal to 2 pi r multiplied by h plus r. That is the total surface area is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by radius is 4 centimeters, height is 7 centimeters plus 4 is equal to, if you multiply 2 multiplied by 22, it is 44 divided by 7 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 7 plus 4 is 11. So first we will multiply 4 by 44. 4 4s are 16. 1 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. 176 multiplied by 11 divided by 7. So if you multiply 176 by 11, it is, you can work it out manually. So it is 1936 divided by 7 is equal to 2 sevens are 14. So how you work it out? 2 sevens are 14. You get 53. You get 7 sevens are 49. Then become 46. You get 6 sevens are 42. And then you get 40. You get 5 sevens are 35 plus you get balance 55 7 something like it is 5 square centimeters. Please try to work it out again. Next problem, the curved surface area of a set. Now the second problem, curved surface area is given. Height of the pipe is 25 centimeters. You have to find the radius. So curved surface area of a cylinder, 2 pi r h is equal to 550. Oh, it should be rather, it is square centimeters. 550. So what is the radius? Radius is equal to 550 divided by 2 pi h. Divide both sides by 2 pi h is equal to 550 divided by 2 multiplied by pi is 22 over 7. Height is 25. Now we will first cancel with this. This 25 and 2 become 225. Oh, it is around 75. So if we divide by 25 directly, it is 11. We cancel this 11 with this 22, we get 2. So 1 by it is 2 by 7 you take to the numerator is equal to 7 by 2 equal to 3.5 centimeters. If you have difficulty in cancelling this 25, you divide both sides by 5 and then again 5. That is much easier. You can do the same problem this way. 550 divided by 2 multiplied by 22 by 7, 25. First, if you divide by 5, it is 110. If you divide by 5, it is 5. Again 5, if you divide, it's 22. This 22, you can cancel this one. This 2 by 7, this 2 will go up. Multiply and divide by 7 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2 or 3.5 centimeters. Next problem. An iron pipe is 20 centimeters long, has external radius equal to 12.5 centimeters and internal radius equal to 11.5 centimeters. So what exactly find the total surface area? So we know a cylindrical pipe is round here. So its length is 20 centimeters is given, but he says external radius and internal radius. So there is some depth is there for this pipe, iron pipe. So we can imagine there's a inside it's like this. This is more. So inside it like this. The outer diameter is 22, inner diameter is 12.5. The outer like this. So this portion we have drawn here. The outer diameter is radius or diameter? Radius is 12.5. The inner radius is 11.5. So the width of the pipe width is 1. So how we will go about this problem? So we have to find the total surface area is equal to 2 pi r into h. Here r is outer r plus 2 2 pi into r1 square minus r2 square. Why it is like this r1 square? What is the total area is pi r1 square. First let us take the total area of the bottom. Pi into r1 square. Total area of the inner circle is pi r2 square. So then we get this the width, what is the width of this pipe? Width of 1 centimeter only. Just for the sake of understanding I am putting. Okay. Outer diameter, inner diameter. So we will know the area of the pipe at the bottom. Similarly at top. So the difference will give the area of the So area at the top is pi r1 square minus pi r2 square. So top plus bottom, then you are multiplying by 2. So this gives the formula for this. Suppose in some cases, top, suppose for a cylindrical tin, there is no top, there is no cover, then you can take only for the one side. So is equal to 2 pi, 2 into 22 by 7 multiplied by what is the radius? Outer surface area, it is 12.5 multiplied by 20. 20 is the length of the pipe plus, so we can 2 pi we have taken out common. This we can take it as r1 square minus r2 square. So the squaring r1, 12.5 square or 11.5 square, it's little difficult. So instead of directly doing, you use the formula a plus b into a plus b. What is r1 square minus r1 square equal to r1 plus r2 multiplied by r1 minus r2. So now you apply this formula is equal to 2 into 22 by 7. 2 into 2 is 44. 44 divided by 7 multiplied by 20 into 12.5. Can you put the figure directly? It is 250 plus a plus b is 24, a minus b is 1. So this will lead to 44 divided by 7 multiplied by 274 is equal to, if you multiply this, we get 120. So 120 by 7 is equal to 1722.28 centimeter square. So next problem. The inner diameter of a circular well is 5.6 meters. If the depth of the well is 20 meters, find its curved surface. So it is curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r multiplied by h is equal to 2 into 22 by 7. Radius is 5.6 multiplied by its height is 20 is equal to 44 divided by 7. If you 5.6 you can directly cancel, it becomes 8.8. 8 sevens are 56. That way, otherwise you can multiply by 20 by 5.6. You may get confused. This is 5. You say multiply by, I'll put line. 2 multiplied by. Okay. 5.6 into 20 is 116. We divide by 7. 1 7s are 7, 4, 4. 46. No, sorry, it's not coming correctly. 5 point, so 5.6 will divide. This is 0.8 multiplied by 20. 5.6 multiplied, it's 0.87, so it becomes 0.8. Answer is 20 is equal to 2. Its diameter, inner diameter of a circle is 5.6. So 1d is equal to 5.6, radius equal to 2.8 centimeter. So instead of that, we need not take this 2, or you divide by 2. Four forty multiplied by 0.8 is equal to 352. Oh, here the inner diameter of the circle will be 5.6. So when diameter is equal to 5.6, radius equal to 2.8. So here instead of 5.6, we are divided by 2. That gives the answer. It is 352 square meter. So we can also write the formula. Instead of 2 pi r take 2 r, we can write as pi multiplied by d multiplied by h. This way also we can. 22 by 7 into 5.6 into 12. Like this way also we can do this. So with this, we have come to the end of the chapter 1. In finding out the areas, so we have learned to find out the surface area, total surface area of the cylinders in this chapter. So we'll be doing more problems in the next lesson. The formulas we have to repeat number of times to know the significance of the formula. So what exactly the radius or the height means. Thank you. Please repeat the lessons.